Hi, welcome to Sassy Pie Travelers. I'm Wendy, Sassy Pie Travel, and thank you for clicking on this video. It's towards the end of the month of January, and I stayed in the house a lot. I don't know if I've mentioned it before. I am an introvert. I love spending time at home, but I still with spending time at home, I love to shop. I purchased this item maybe 2 weeks ago, and it came, no, maybe 3 weeks ago, and it came in the mail like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. And I wanted to unbox it, but I did unbox it, but I wanted to show you guys what it was before I started using it, you know? So what I purchased is, is the Michael Kors large jet set backpack. I wanted a nice backpack since my vacation on the Carnival Mardi Gras back in August. And I didn't want to purchase it before the family trip in December back on the Mardi Gras because I took my whole family and it was a more, expensive trip, and I didn't want to splurge on something, especially since we weren't buying anything for Christmas. So after Christmas, you know how Instagram will suggest things to you. They suggested there's a backpack on the Michael Kors website. They were having a sale. I think it was for, I want to say it was Martin Luther King holiday. I'm pretty sure. So actually it was like 2 weeks ago. But it was for Martin Luther King's holiday, and it had another extra 20% off, I think, or 15% off. So I purchased it at a great steal. This backpack has since went up on their site, and I've looked on like other sites and it's up as well. It's really big. It's nice. Yeah, so let's get to seeing what this backpack, I'm going to actually show what it can hold, why I purchased it, and all that jazz. So, yeah. So, I've already took the stuffing out. It had a ton of stuffing. On the inside, it's lined with the Michael Kors logo in this satiny material. You do have a zipper pocket in the back that can hold a great deal. It also has two side pockets on the other side that can hold a lot of things, and two zipper pockets on each side that can hold like my AirPods or charger cords or things of that nature. Yeah, let's see. Ooh, kind of long. Yeah, it's so nice. And I actually have, and I wish I had brought them over. I'll probably go get them. A pair of sandals that match this color right here. So I'm hoping my next vacation it will be warm enough so when I do wear those sandals that it would, I can wear them and tote this backpack at the same time. Let's see which notch I'll put it in. See, that's one thing about unboxings. You have to put everything together on camera. I wish I had done this off camera so it wouldn't have took as much time. Yeah. Okay. And I originally I wanted a Coach backpack, and the one I wanted looks exactly like this one, and it's on the Coach site for like $400 and some as well. It's not even on sale, so I'm glad I definitely got this one. I just hope it holds up as well as the leather in the Coach one would have held up. But I don't plan on wearing this every day. I have other purses that I carry and a backpack or something that I don't carry around in my day-to-day life. So I'm not necessarily worried about that. You know what I mean? Like I'll probably more so carry this if I go to the beach or on a vacation, something like that. Anybody else like that? Like likes to carry backpacks when you go? Necessarily more than a purse? Alright, so that's that. Take this part off. It has a little small top handle. Where are these scissors? Yeah, so there it is, the Michael Kors large jet set backpack. You know, you're not always planning on buying something, and then Instagram will say, hey, you need this, and yeah, there you go, needing something. At least that's how I am. They have got me. I don't know who was behind that, but I swear it works. Shame on them. Because it gets me every single time. I didn't know I needed it, but I did. So what I plan to carry is my iPad And it's a 9.7-inch iPad. That actually, let me see if I can put my makeup bag, because that's the thing. When I go on my vacations or cruises or whatever, when I go on cruises, because I go on other vacations besides cruises, I'll take my makeup bag. And this is a Spartina 445 makeup bag. It's pretty large. It holds everything, like literally everything that I need to do the space. It really does hold in this. I love this. We have an outlet here near Myrtle Beach, and I've seen, and I want to go to the one in Hilton Head where they originated at, but I haven't been there. See how that just fell in there, and it was huge. And look at that room. And my iPad, because I don't let my iPad go. Let them, because that will get crushed. My AirPods are going to go in one, like I said, they will go in a side pocket. I can't show my phone. I could have put my son's phone in here to show you. I have an iMac 13 Pro Max, but I know that would have fit in this slip pocket, this pocket right here in the front. Yeah, I'm hoping it would slip. It looks like it would fit in there. I hope so. And then I also put our information, like my passport and all of their vaccination cards and things like that in there. I'll keep them on handy, something that I'll have to reach for, grab for. My Chanel hand lotion, it fits in this one of those little side pockets. Yeah, it fits right in there too. Hey. My eyeglasses, or they could be shades, but I'm going to put eyeglasses in here because I always have my reading glasses on me, and they fit in that side pocket. And still, it's heavy, but I still have room. I'm not going to overpack it because I don't want to, because those straps are kind of thin. So hair clip and a wallet. That's all I'm going to put in there for the sake of this video. My son purchased me this wallet about 2 or 3 years ago for Christmas, and it has cards. Oh, I have a Dunkin' Donuts card in there. I didn't know I had. Card holder, more cards. Lord, I'll fill them up too. Yeah, it has a lot of room in here, so that's all I'm gonna put in here for the sake of this video, and it matches the bag as well. So yeah. So how you do it is you go ahead and close it together by pulling the strap. You stick them down in between that hole where the magnetic closure is. And then you just let it close like that. And there you go. You have the Michael Kors large jet set backpack. See how it's heavy. But that's what I would carry. I'm not going to carry it all day like that. So it shouldn't not be too strenuous on the backpack, because I don't carry my backpack all day. Oh, I should have loosened up the straps. But that's fine. And there we have it. Oh, it's so cute. See, I'll be fashionable and cute at the same time. Yes, I love it. So if you were interested in getting this backpack, what I would say is scope out the Michael Kors website. I mean, you see how much it holds, that big makeup bag. And even if like I say, if I was going on something local here and I didn't need to put that makeup bag in it, look how much I could put in it. So yeah, I love this backpack, and I hope you enjoy it too, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Like I said, I've held on to this thing for like a week or two, waiting to show you guys. So that's just how much I appreciate you all. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video, because I have another haul, which I will be filming right after this video, some other things I purchased. But I just wanted to give itself its shine and its glory. So once again, that is the Michael Kors large jet set backpack. And the shoes that I'm going to wear with it, like I said, are this color. But it's perfect. I may do like a mod shot of me modeling it with the sandals on, so you can see how well they pair together. It's so cute. But yeah, I love this backpack, and I was so happy when it came. It didn't have any scratches. They had packaged it really well for me. Yeah, and you can look, like I said, it has adjustable straps. So yeah, it's great. I love it. I'm glad I purchased it. This will be getting a lot of use by me. Thank you so much, and please have a great day. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps a small YouTuber grow. I'm trying to get at least 100 subscribers this year. So thank you so much, and have a great day.